If you clicked on this video, it probably means that you care a lot more than you should. And when you do, you come off insecure, and that's already a bad sign. So first of all, you shouldn't care about getting rejected. It's like sales. If you close 1 out of 100 people, try to go for 2 out of 100. You got to know that not everybody's for everybody. And maybe sometimes they had something else going on in their lives. But if you want to invite someone else, okay, so what's the title of this video? Today I'm talking about how to invite a woman out properly, the right way, okay? First of all, don't ask questions. You have to make statements. So instead of saying, you want to go out for steak? Would it be a good idea to go out for sushi? Is it okay with you if this? Is it okay with you if that? None of that. Forget about that. Take your chest out, speak loud, clear, and slow, and say something like, I'm going for steak tonight. Would you like to join me? So already right off the bat, it's like, it doesn't matter if you say no, because that's where I'm going to be. It's not deciding, you're not the deciding factor on whether I go for steak or not. I'm going, regardless. Say something like that, instead of asking a question, And if you want to put it even better, in a better way than that, I'll pick you up at 7. We're going for steak. Affirmative. Not even like, is 8 or 9 better for you? You just say what it is. And if there's a problem, she'll say, oh, listen, I could only be ready by 7:30. And you could just reply with a thumbs up. Try to make the minimal words possible. Put the minimal words together in a sentence possible. You don't have to say, okay, but before I have to do this and then I got to do that. You don't have to go on and say every single thought that's going on in your head. Why you got to show all your cards? And if you're sad about something, you don't have to let her know. Deal with it yourself. They're expecting you to deal with it anyway. What is she going to do for you? You think, oh, I'm so sorry, cried my shoulder. No, she has to cry on your shoulder. I'm not saying to make her cry. I'm saying you don't cry. And if you cry, do it alone. Get rid of it before you go out. When I was in college, I remember I had a little less confidence than I do now. And I cared about about getting with a lot of different women at the same time, which is no good because I follow Jesus now, and now it's 1 at a time or 0, that's where I'm at. Plus, there's a lot less headaches, right? Come on. What are you going to start juggling 3, 4 women at the same time? I don't care who tells you that, oh, you're more of a man if you do that. First of all, that's not the way God designed us. That's another story. But what are you looking for? Do you want a woman for life? Or do you want to just go in and out one shot and get out of there? Because, I'm not telling you to manipulate anybody. I guess my message to you is you have to be okay whether or not they say yes or no. You have to be okay being alone. If they see that you don't care if you have a girlfriend or not, or that, if you know what I mean, if you're too clingy, it's over. You have to show, and it can't be pretend, it has to be real. You have to really be okay with being alone. Whether you're alone or whether you're in a relationship, either way, you have to be happy with either one. If you're healthy, you know how many people are dying in the hospitals that they wish they had your life. You got to stop complaining. Count your blessings. When you show up, smile. Smile no matter what. And nobody knows how much money you have in your bank account anyway. You know what I mean? Sometimes you say, oh, I have to be rich to take her out. When does somebody, they judge you on how do you look right away. They have an idea of like, oh, okay, they look at you head to toe. That's another subject if you want to know how to dress, this and that. But either way, if it's not the real you, don't dress like it's not the real you. It's the way you talk, the way you act. Like right now, my jacket's dirty. But I could still show up, have authority, talk to anyone I want, and make an impression. Because I know what I'm saying. And even if I don't, It doesn't matter because I don't care about looking like an idiot in front of people. And that shows, which also comes out good. The title of this video, again, let me not go off track. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about here and there, you know. Don't make questions, make statements. Okay, that's the first point. Not do you want to go out, let's go out. Or even better, I am going to this place, join me. Not even would you like to join me. You should come with me. Or say it however you want, that it ends with a statement. That if you get ghosted, it's not even like it's a sentence that needed a reply anyway. You know what I'm saying? I hope this helped you out. And when you talk loud, talk clear, talk slow. And if you have any problems, don't tell her what they are. They don't care. And even if they do, you're going to look like an idiot if you're showing that you can't take care of it. I hope this video helps someone out. And let me know if I should do more like this.